Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be talking about my wish list. Now, it may seem very sus, but my wish list actually has purpose to it. Now, there's some very weird things you'll see on it, and I can't go over all this, but specifically, I have two wish lists. Now, I'm going to show you one that you haven't ever actually seen before, so this is exclusive, so make sure to stay tuned for that. But basically, on the first wish list, it's my super unrealistic, never going to happen, like, wish list of my dream system. Now, if you do want to see a full video going more into this, make sure to like this video and comment down below, because if I do have time, I probably will make a video fully explaining why I chose all these specific parts. And yes, it is a 3 motherboard system. 3 motherboards. Yeah. Completely water cooled, has a bunch of other stuff. But there's also a bunch of other crazy things, like as you can see right here, custom dream keyboard and a bunch of other crazy stuff that I just want. Um, and that's like just because like stuff, and it's just a really super unrealistic wish list. But I do also want to talk a bit about how the wish list system would work. Now, here's my second wish list. Now, this is actually stuff that I actually currently need. Now, this will include specific like parts, as you can see right here, and then the GT 710. These are for upgrading my old, super old like computers to make them actually like workable for people to use them. And then I'm gonna try to sell them on a new online store that I'm starting on eBay to sell a bunch of old computer parts that I have, because I have a lot. But then also we have a bunch of parts for a new system, which is going to be a mining rig, a video I have. And I've been playing this. I have a shelf in my studio downstairs, which is a big shelf, and I'm planning to put it on there. But I still need a couple, like a lot of parts, because I want this to actually be decent. And you may see that there's no mining rack on here, and that's because I want to go for a vertical mount for my motherboard. And so I'm gonna build a custom chassis for that. But as of right now, basically I don't have any of the parts, and it's all 69 and 420 graphics cards for the memes, you know it. It's a 6 graphics card miner, and even if it's not efficient, it's just gonna be a funny meme. Like, it's gonna be a good video. And sorry about my cat in the background. But I also want to make it a data storage center, so it can serve multiple purposes, not only being a data storage center for editing videos and other high capacity things I do for Blender and then Unity also, but then I can have both those in a thing, and it's going to be on the shelf, like, and I just want to look really cool. It's going to require a lot of parts, but what you'll find on this list is stuff I actually need for video ideas, upcoming parts that I need. And now let's talk about how the sponsoring, well, basically, if you buy one of these, it counts as sponsoring, and you can put a message saying if you want me to shout out anything or do it. If you're a company or if you're an individual, I don't care. But also, if you're a company and you want to send some of these over, that would also work out. Or if you want to send over anything, I'll appreciate anything right now. But yeah, so that's just about it for this. Like, this is my wish list. I will be trying to update this one. This one's basically finished, has way too much stuff on it, but I'm not going to put this in the current video description. This is just going to be like an unrealistic thing, and it's like my dream setup, and you'll be able to see that on my channel page and probably on my website when I do release that. But this is stuff, the wish list here is stuff that I actually need. So yeah, that's just about it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe down below. Now, I'm not sure if you do enjoy these shorter style videos that I have been making, but I'm deciding to make one every once in a while. And this is actually going to be a pretty shorter one. But yeah, so that's just about it. Thank you for watching. Bye.